How this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can update your MacBook Pro, MacBook Mini to the latest version of beta. This time we have macOS 26 Tahoe Beta 5. To update, you have to go to the system setting. You can go to system setting from at the bottom here. If you don't have here, if you click Apple logo here or icon, you can go here from as well. So system setting. In system setting, you have to go to software update. So in software update, it should load automatically. If it doesn't load automatically, check if your computer is eligible or not. You see here macOS Tahoe Beta 5 is available for me. If it's not available, you can click here, check this option on, done, and check the requirement and other stuff. All of the version with M1, M2, M3 Apple Silicon processor after 2020 or later is eligible. Some of the Pro version from 2019 is also eligible. Basically 2019 after 2020 they are eligible. So I'm not gonna read all of them. Check this one. Pause the video to read if your Mac is here or not. Then you can do something. You can see here Apple logo. Click this one. The first option you see here is about this Mac. Click this one. Check your Mac version. For example, I have Mac Mini 2024 with Apple M4 chipset. Then you come to this screen. You will see here restart now, update tonight. So I want to update now, so I hit restart button. In this case, you have to put your password. So it's installing update. We have to wait a little bit till it's downloading. It's restarting. In this case, we are doing in Mac Mini M4. So if you have M4 processor, it's gonna work more faster than you have older Mac. If you have Mac M1, M2, M3, M4, it will work faster. To Intel version of Mac, you can't install. You can see Apple logo is loading, so we have to wait a little bit more. After restarting couple of times, the screen wakes up to this screen. You can see directly come enter. Software update, I check here which version of Mac I have here. Install version, you see H at the writing, that is beta 5 I guess. Now let's talk about some of the changes you may have in the new beta version. I'm not gonna talk about a small icon and big icon and the big logo, those stupid things. We'll talk about some of the big changes. If we go to setting here, in setting, if you go to wallpaper, now you say Tahoe. Before it was beta written, but that is not important. Important, you see the effect. If you put here as this, you can see is moving. If I select this wallpaper, I selected, it will change day and night. You have some motion effect. I hit screensaver here, put here, done. You can see screensaver how is moving with different monitor. How beautiful this effect it is as a wave movement. So this is new. This is something big. More option you can see here, new in landscape section. I hit show more here. So you can see here Tahoe day, Tahoe morning, Tahoe evening you have, and Tahoe night. It's loading. Is done. You see Tahoe morning here, beautiful, lovely. I like this one. Then Tahoe evening you have here is loading. How beautiful this one, you see. Then I put Tahoe night, lovely. So now you have a complete set of wallpaper according to the situation. Another change you can see in control panel. If we click here, if I put edit here, so you can see here the color are different. This is not something big, but some changes. So this is the way you can update your Mac to the last version of macOS. that is beta 5 of macOS 26 Tahoe. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.